Muslim scientists have made significant contributions to various fields, including mathematics, astronomy, medicine, chemistry, and more. During the Islamic Golden Age, roughly from the 8th to the 14th centuries, the Muslim world was a beacon of knowledge and innovation. Here are some of the most prominent Muslim scientists in history. Al-Khwarizmi, circa 780 to 850 field, mathematics, astronomy, geography. Key contributions. Al-Khwarizmi is often referred to as the father of algebra. His book, Kitab al-Jabr wa al-Muqabalah, is where the term algebra comes from and laid the foundation for modern algebra. He also introduced the concept of algorithms, which are fundamental to computer science. Legacy. Al-Khwarizmi's work was translated into Latin and became a standard mathematical text in Europe for centuries. The word algorithm is derived from his name, underscoring his lasting impact on mathematics and technology. Ibn Sina, Avicenna 980-1037 field, medicine, philosophy, science. Key contributions. Ibn Sina, also known as Avicenna in the West, was a polymath who made substantial contributions to various fields, but he is most famous for his works in medicine. His book, The Canon of Medicine, was used as a standard medical text in both the Islamic world and Europe for over 600 years. Legacy. Ibn Sina's The Canon of Medicine is considered one of the most important medical texts in history. His work in philosophy also influenced both Islamic and Western thought, particularly during the Renaissance. Al-Biruni, 973-1048 field, astronomy, mathematics, geography, pharmacology. Key contributions. Al-Biruni was an exceptional scholar who made contributions to a wide range of disciplines. He calculated the Earth's circumference with remarkable accuracy and wrote extensively on subjects ranging from astronomy to pharmacology. Legacy. Al-Biruni's work in geography and his accurate calculations of the Earth's dimensions predated European explorers like Columbus by centuries. His interdisciplinary approach to science has inspired generations of scholars. Ibn al-Haytham, Alhazen, circa 965-1040 field, optics, mathematics, astronomy. Key contributions. Ibn al-Haytham, known as Alhazen in the West, is often considered the father of optics. His book, Kitab al-Manazir, Book of Optics, transformed the understanding of vision and light. He was the first to explain that vision occurs when light reflects off an object and enters the eye. Legacy. Ibn al-Haytham's work laid the foundation for modern optics, influencing later scientists like Johannes Kepler and Isaac Newton. His method of inquiry is also seen as an early form of the scientific method. Al-Razi, Rhazes, 854-925 field, medicine, chemistry, philosophy. Key contributions. Al-Razi was a pioneering physician and chemist. He is best known for his works in medicine, particularly his treatise on smallpox and measles, which was one of the first to distinguish the two diseases. He also wrote Kitab al-Havi, the comprehensive book, an encyclopedia of medicine that was widely used in Europe. Legacy. Al-Razi's medical texts were influential for centuries, both in the Islamic world and in Europe. His approach to medicine, which emphasized observation and experience, laid important groundwork for modern clinical practices. Jabir ibn Hayyan, Geber, circa 721-815 field, chemistry, alchemy, medicine. Key contributions. Jabir ibn Hayyan, known in the West as Geber, is often referred to as the father of chemistry. He is credited with the discovery of several chemical processes, including distillation and crystallization. He also introduced the use of experimental techniques in alchemy, which evolved into modern chemistry. Legacy. Jabir's works were translated into Latin and became fundamental texts in European alchemy and early chemistry. His emphasis on experimentation and the scientific method influenced the development of modern chemistry. Al-Zahrawi, Abulcasis 936-1013 field, Surgery, medicine. Key contributions. Al-Zahrawi is often regarded as the greatest surgeon of the medieval period. His encyclopedic work, Al-Tasrif, was a comprehensive medical text that included descriptions of surgical procedures and instruments, many of which he designed. Legacy. Al-Zahrawi's Al-Tasrif was used as a standard reference in Europe for centuries. He is considered the father of modern surgery, and his methods laid the groundwork for many surgical techniques used today. Ibn Khaldun, 1332–1406. Field, Sociology, History, Economics. Key contributions. Ibn Khaldun was a historian and philosopher who is often considered one of the fathers of modern sociology and economics. His book, Muqaddimah, Introduction, presented a comprehensive theory of history, economics, and society that emphasized the role of social cohesion and economic factors in the rise and fall of civilizations. Legacy. Ibn Khaldun's Muqaddimah influenced later historians, economists, and sociologists. His ideas about social cohesion and the dynamics of civilizations remain relevant to this day. Al-Farabi, 872–950. Field, Philosophy, Logic, Music. Key contributions. Al-Farabi was a philosopher and logician known as the second teacher, with Aristotle being the first. He made significant contributions to logic, metaphysics, and political philosophy. He also wrote extensively on music, with his Kitab al-Musica being one of the earliest treatises on the subject. Legacy. Al-Farabi's works on philosophy and logic were influential in both the Islamic world and in Europe. His synthesis of Greek philosophy with Islamic thought paved the way for later philosophers, including Ibn Sina and Averroes. Ibn Rushd, Averroes 1126–1198. Key contributions. Ibn Rushd, known as Averroes in the West, was a prominent philosopher and polymath who made significant contributions to Islamic philosophy, particularly in reconciling Aristotelian philosophy with Islamic thought. He wrote extensive commentaries on Aristotle, which were influential in both the Islamic world and medieval Europe. Additionally, Ibn Rushd made important contributions to medicine and law, writing the medical encyclopedia Kitab al-Kulliyat fi al-Tib, Generalities in Medicine, and the legal work Bidayat al-Mujtahid wa Nihayat al-Muqtasid, the Distinguished Jurist Primer. Ibn Rushd's philosophical works, particularly his commentaries on Aristotle, had a profound impact on the intellectual development of Europe during the Middle Ages, influencing key thinkers like Thomas Aquinas. His efforts to harmonize faith and reason left a lasting legacy in both Islamic and Western thought, making him a pivotal figure in the history of philosophy. These Muslim scientists not only advanced their respective fields but also played a crucial role in preserving and expanding upon the knowledge of earlier civilizations. Their contributions were instrumental in the development of the scientific method and the progress of human understanding across various disciplines.